Today I took inspiration from the movies to bring you an extraordinary recipe. Today I am excited to share the legendary 3-cheese grilled cheese, inspired by the mouth-watering masterpiece in Chef, the movie. Get ready for cheesy deliciousness like you've never experienced before. Just like Chef Carl Casper in the movie, we're going to create this sandwich using not one, not two, but 3 incredible cheeses. The star of the show is the creamy, rich Gruyere, alongside the tangy and sharp cheddar, followed by the smooth and gooey mozzarella. Start by selecting a hearty bread of your choice. I love the rustic texture of sourdough, but any bread will work perfectly. Next, generously butter one side of each bread slice, ensuring an even golden crispiness. But wait, this is where I level it up. Here, I chop some garlic and mix it with some salt, pepper, and butter. This butter improves the recipe greatly. Now it's time to layer on the cheeses. Begin with a generous helping of Gruyere, followed by a layer of cheddar, and finish with a blanket of mozzarella. Place your sandwich in a preheated pan over medium heat, allowing the magic to happen. While that is cooking, let me know what you think of this cool cutting board. It's a thick, heavy slab with grips on the back. The dark wood is beautiful, and I love it. I dropped a link in the description for you to buy it at a reasonable price. As the cheese slowly melts, your senses will be engulfed by the irresistible aroma of melted perfection. Once the bread turns to a beautiful golden brown, it's time to flip the sandwich gently. Cook for a few more minutes to ensure all the cheeses are perfectly melted. You want that ultimate gooey goodness. Remove it from the pan and give it a moment to cool down slightly. Now take a deep breath and prepare yourself for an explosion of flavors. Slice your sandwich, revealing the marvelous layer of cheese melting together in harmony. The crunch of the perfectly grilled bread paired with the oozing cheeses creates a culinary experience you won't soon forget. Wait, how do we improve it even more? Just like this. Rewind. After the bread is toasted, lay some cheese in the pan. Lay the grilled cheese on the cheese and add another layer on the top. After a few minutes, flip it over. You'll know when it's done when the cheese releases from the pan easily, leaving a crisp cheese crust. If it's not coming up easily, just let it cook for a few more minutes. Flip it over and then repeat the same thing on that side. You'll love the grilled cheese this way also. Which version do you prefer? Tell me in the comments below. Then, join us on this cheese-filled journey inspired by Chef the movie, and take a bite into the 3-cheese grilled cheese that will leave you craving more. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more delicious movie-inspired recipes. Also, watch this video up here. YouTube is recommending it, and I want you to watch also. Thank you.